I'm replacing a Simpson stove and cooktop, Simpson Evolution 805 model 75C805W. Could you please advise the size of the cutout which was required for the oven and also the cooktop? Thanks.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. The oven will be the standard 600 by 60 for height and width. The depth will vary among models, but 99.9% of kitchens can accommodate for the variations as far as depth goes, as the cutout usually allows for this, unless the kitchen is ancient. As far as the cooktop goes, I would need the full model number of that, please. Are you able to come up from underneath the cooktop and read the model number by any chance?
This oven and cooktop is in a rental property. I got the tenant to check the measurements of the cooktop 600 by 540 and the oven measures 600 by 600. The stove and cooktop was supplied as a combination from Harvey Norman. I have tried to get the cooktop number but have been unsuccessful. I want to ensure the replacement white goods fit without having to modify the cupboards. Thanks.
The oven is the standard 60 by 600, so any other standard oven will fit, no problems at all. The cooktop is also the standard size, this being 600 wide. As long as you purchase the standard 4-plate cooktop that is square and is 600 wide, it will fit your cutout where the old cooktop is fitted. Please remember to rate my assistance on the service I have provided you. If you have any further questions, please just ask me. I'm happy to meet your expectations today and receive a good rating for my advice regarding your inquiry. Thank you. If you go to this link and look at all the square 600 wide cooktops, you will see that it is a standard size. The height and depth vary by a few cms at most. This will not affect the cooktop fitting into a standard size cutout of 600 wide that you already have. http://www.appliancesonline.com.au/electric cooktop/ Please remember to rate my assistance above by clicking on the appropriate smiley face. AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41125.0465924421.
Thanks for your assistance. Great service.
No problems at all. Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.